News for your health tonight. Tearing or pulling a muscle can be painful and it can take a long time to heal. But now an unusual technique is giving people relief from the pain and getting them back up and active.
I don't even know how I did it. I just was running, and one day I woke up and it was really sore.
Turns out 33-year-old Michelle Midget had pulled her hamstring, and after 6 months of seeing several different doctors, she was still in too much pain to run.
You'd hear everything. You'd hear, put heat on it. You'd hear, don't put heat on it, put ice on it. You'd hear, just stretch, just get a massage. And I heard everything.
But there was one method she hadn't heard about.
You see they all come in different shapes and sizes.
He pulled out this array of instruments that look like scalpels.
It's called the Graston technique, and therapists trained to use these tools can help to heal all sorts of musculoskeletal injuries, common problems like carpal tunnel syndrome, tennis elbow, and rotator cuff injuries.
We do that by being able to break down the scar tissue around the joint and be able to loosen up tight and restricted muscles, thereby decreasing a person's pain and being able to restore them to proper optimal functioning. And what I'm going to be doing is just going right over top that muscle.
Riccardo Tersigni, a Fairfax chiropractor who's also certified in physical therapy, says the tools are basically used to give an extremely intense massage. The rubbing motion helps to break up the scar tissue that forms when a muscle is injured.
Just like a scar on your skin, that scar forms actually within the muscle. I can feel things with the tools that I would normally not be able to feel with my hands.
Each tool has a differently shaped edge to work on different parts of the body, like this one for someone with a wrist injury. But that intense pressure can cause bruising. Midget says she can deal with some black and blue if it's going to help her run again.
It's been 3 months, and I cannot believe that I'm virtually pain-free.
She's even running in the Marine Corps Marathon in October.
I just did a 4-hour, 20-mile run this weekend, and that's the first time I've ever gone that far. So for me, it's absolutely invigorating.
Most patients typically benefit from about 15 treatment sessions, which can take about 5 to 10 minutes. And you're supposed to combine this therapy with the stretching and conditioning program.